Welcome back, guys. This is Sam Ayorinde. In this video, I want to show you how you can create a YouTube channel. Okay, if you want to create your YouTube channel, or you want to change your name, or you want to optimize, you want to add your channel description or everything on how to go about it, I'll be showing you in this video. Let's get started. So firstly, you go to you need this app, YouTube app and YouTube Studio. Okay, you need this app, but mostly if you have this first one, you are good to go. Okay, so if you don't have this one, it is not compulsory, but if you have this and you have this, it's all benefits. And I think most times all these apps come with new phones on Android phones. So if you don't come, just go to your Play Store and download these two apps. But you can still, if you have this one, as I mentioned, you are good to go. So let's click on the app. And so what you need to do is just locate this icon. Okay, if you don't, let me push this thing up. So if you locate this down corner here, and you will see something like image, like it is blank, that you don't have picture there because you have not created any channel before, because you don't have. But if you have a YouTube before, you will see your picture or something like avatar here, that symbols that you can click on. So you click on it. Once you click on it, you see something here. So because me, I have YouTube channel before, that's why you are seeing this. So if you don't have, you see something here, see switch account. So I want to show you how to create an account. So once clicking in, you can see I have a channel before. The next thing, let me use the one, let me use the channel, let me use an email. I don't have. Okay, so let me use this one. I'll be using this one. Okay, it said no channel. As you can see, no channel. So let me click on it. You can see this is what it will show like on your own too, if you just download. And before you can create a YouTube channel, you need a Gmail. Okay, you need Google Mail. Okay, so I know when you buy an Android phone or an iPhone, you already have your email. You already have an email already, because you need to email before you can sign up. You need an email before you can sign up and start using your Android phone. Even before you get Play Store, you need email. Okay, so let's continue. So click on it. As you can see, it says create a channel. So here I'll be clicking on it, and you can see how will I appear. So you just need to put your picture here. So let me find a picture. Let me just use one thing to use. Let me set this as a picture. Find a picture. And how you can get a picture, you can use Canva app. Just go to your Play Store and download Canva app to design a. Just once you reach Canva, you just click on the search button and you search for YouTube banner. Okay, YouTube banner, and it will display, or YouTube profile picture. It will bring out different options that you can use. So here I've added a picture. Here it says name. You can see this name will be visible to all users on YouTube. And the second one said changes made to your name are visible only on YouTube and not other Google service. Okay, so you can change your name here and put your name, the name that you want to use. Okay, but your handle name, like if anybody want to search for you, like what would be your handle name? Okay, maybe you want to use let me put brand TV. Like, let me just use a random something, brand TV, or you can see brand TV. As you can see, it is not available because someone already using it. So it says it now suggests another one to me, like I should use this. I'm not using this, so let's look for another name. Let me look for another name. Let me say brand discoveries. Let's look for brand discoveries, if it is available. Discoveries. It is not available. So let me use Y. I'm just looking for ways. Okay, brand discovery, you can see it's marked, so that means it is available. I can use it. So let me save it. So, and now it says create a channel. So you now click on create channel. Now I have a channel. So let's check our channel now. Let's click on this A icon and you can see brand discovery. Now I have created a channel, as you can see. So let me go. As you can see, so we have a channel now. So we can now start and uploading our videos. So if you want to change your name, you can just click on this pencil icon here that you are seeing here. This pencil icon, just click on it and you can change name, and you can change your, you can see brand handle. You can change your name, you can add your description. And how can you generate a description? So let me quickly show you that. Some people may ask me, how can I generate description? You can just, description is something like what your channel is all about. So, and moreover, if you want like an optimized description, okay, you can go to Meta AI. You can use any AI to generate it, or you can use ChatGPT. You can, like, so the algorithm will understand what you are all about. Okay, what you are all about. And also I want to add this: when you are posting picture, when you are setting up your channel, make sure you add your banner too, because this is most times that people will be seeing. Okay, once they click on your page, this banner is very important. So once you go to the Canva, let me show you the Canva app. This is the Canva app. Let it load, and you can just come to this search button here. Search, you can see this place. Just click on it and click on search and look for YouTube banner. Just search for YouTube. So you can see, you will see all the template of YouTube now. You can see YouTube channel banner, YouTube intro, YouTube ad, landscape, portrait, landscape. So I'm looking for YouTube channel banner. And these are the templates, as you can see, YouTube. So I can just take this one and just put like, sorry, cancel, and just put edit and put brand discovery. As you can see, this is just an example of what you'll be seeing. So let me leave it like this and let me download. So if you want to download your this thing, you just click on this icon here, download, and click on download. So once it is downloaded, it has downloaded. So let's go back to YouTube and let's upload it. Let's click on this icon and say if you want to click, choose from photo, and click on choose from photo, and this is it. Okay, as you can see, this is how you show on all devices. You can see on desktop, on TV. And make sure, as you have seen this, I will not go back to Canva to come and adjust this thing again, because this brand discovery, if you are using desktop to view this video, you will be able to see everything. But if you are using for mobile device, you will not be able to see. You will only see this discovery, and you can just highlight it like this. And let me just put it here because I want people to see everything. But if you want to do it, make sure you know how to do your editing and place everything very well. I will not be doing that again, but you can also go back and adjust. Okay, so that's that. If I want to save it, I will now click on save here at the right corner here and save. and you will see the banner will be updated. As you can see, it is now showing the banner about. So that's how, if you want to change your picture here too, you can change your profile picture. So, and if you want to add description, you can just go to, as I said, let me use Meta, and you can ask for like write YouTube channel description. SEO description. For now, put it in quotation, brand discovery. Make sure you add this your brand name. So let's click on it. You can write more prompt. Okay, you can write more prompt. So you can see this has generated it for. So you can see say unlock the secret of build a unforgettable brand on this channel. We explore the latest brand discovery strategies, tips and trends. And you can see the second one, get ready to transform your brand. And this is, so you can see, and it even generates a keyword for you. It generates a keyword for you. So what you just need to do is just to copy. So let's copy. So once you are copying, you do your settings like this, and you copy the main one you need. So I'll be copying. Let me just find one and see. Let me just look for one, and let me even copy it. So let's copy it and let's go and paste it there. So this is the. So let's delete this one. And I'm deleting this, and this is it. So this is your description, and you can add more links, you can add your link, you can add everything. So after that, this, so let me, okay, sorry. So now description change. So we have changed our description, and you see. So that is how to create your channel and how to change your name, how you can write a description, and with this, I think you are good to go. So some people, let me even add this one. Some people will say, I want to start, how can I create video? So this is how to create a video. So you create on, if you want to create a short, you want to upload a video, go live and create a post. So you can do that. So just, if you want to upload any video, just click on upload videos. I don't have enough memory to do that now. I'll be canceling this thing. So, and that's how to create a video. Just click on the create and you will see what to create. This one is for pictures. Let me show you this one. If you want to create a post, pictures, this is picture. If you want to go live, you want everyone to see you, you go live. This one is how to upload a video, so, and how to upload a short. Okay, so that's that. Thank you. So there are more professional settings than this also, but along the line, but this is a beginner friendly video you can use to start your YouTube channel journey. Okay, so along the line you will learn more. You will be able to change and do some other things along the line that you navigate through, and when you started creating your own videos, you will gain some professional touch along the line when you start creating your own content. So start now, no obstacle, don't procrastinate again. Start building your own passive income channel. Thank you and see you next time. My name is Samuel. Thank you. God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.